Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to set your Discord status to automatically clear after 4 hours. Whether you want to keep your profile neat or just make sure your status doesn't linger longer than it should, this simple trick will help you manage your presence better on Discord. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once the app is open, take a moment to look at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's where your profile picture sits. Go ahead and tap it. This will bring you to your profile settings page. Here you'll find several options that help you personalize your Discord experience. Look for the option that says Add Status. Tap on it. This is where you can type in any custom status, maybe something like busy, gaming, or even an emoji that shows your mood. Now here comes the part that makes your status auto-clear. Under the status field, you'll see a setting labeled Clear After. Tap on that. You'll notice several timing options, such as Don't Clear, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and more. Select 4 hours. Once you tap that, your status will automatically remove itself 4 hours after you set it. It's a smart way to avoid having outdated statuses showing when you're no longer busy or gaming. After choosing 4 hours, tap Save or simply exit Discord will handle the rest.